the floor. Okay, so I'm back. I cleaned everything up, moved stuff around again to make room so that I can work a little bit more comfortably. So I got it all cleaned up, so I figured I'd let you see what it looks like all cleaned up. So this is what I got left to do. This, that, and that. That's all I got left. And this is the floor. And that's all done over there as well. So now I'm gonna set up my saw and my snap cutter in a more convenient position so that it doesn't get in my way like it was getting in my way before. Okay, so I'm at as far as I can go. I just got two little areas to do, and let me show you. So I just got like a couple tiles here to do over here because the GC needs to fix this jam. He's going to come tomorrow morning and take care of that, so I couldn't put those couple tiles in. Over there I went as far as I could reach because I just can't go any further without working on top of the tile. So I didn't want to work on top of the tile. This area is all done. That's all done. So a few hours tomorrow, a couple of hours tomorrow, I'll get this all finished, and that'll be it.